In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the Material UI. So, in React, there are different icons and avatars in your project. This library of Material UI is very useful. With its help, you can use different icons, fonts, and avatars. You can do it through CDN as well, but I'll tell you how you can install it in your project and use it in your own project. Okay, so we'll go to our VS Code and we'll stop our project by pressing Ctrl+C. As you can see, it has terminated. So now we are in our first application and we have to install it in package.json. So this is their website, and in this they have told us how to install it in React and the React project. Okay, so if you are using the npm, then you have to use this one, and if you are using the yarn, then you can install this one. Okay, so we'll copy it and we'll paste it here, and then we click on enter. So it has been installed now. The dependencies will be installed and will be present in package.json file. So it may take some time, as all the content will move to in the package.json file. Okay, if we have to use different components, then it is possible to do it through it. So there are usage available as well, in which we'll get to know how to use it in our project. Okay, as the installation has been completed, the dependencies of Material UI have been stored here. Now we'll go back to installation and we'll install the second one, styles component, in our project. Okay, we'll copy and paste it here. We're getting ready-made templates as well. If you want, then you can get ready-made source code. So it's very helpful when you don't want to write lengthy codes. So you can get ready-made source codes from here. Okay, the dashboard is available. If you're making an e-commerce store and you need a dashboard in which you have to keep information regarding your product, so customers and orders, then you can use a dashboard like this, for example. Okay, so there are multiple source codes available. You just have to import these into your project. Okay, it's still installing, so usually it doesn't take that much time usually. And yeah, so premium templates are available as well. It's useful when you're making a professional website, so you just have to take this website template and then integrate it. Okay, so it's a very useful library. Okay, our second dependencies have been installed. Now we'll install the third dependencies, which we'll use for icons. So we'll copy and we'll paste it here. Now it has started the installation. Okay, all of our dependencies are now installed. We got all the dependencies to use Material UI in our system. We got in package.json file. So now we'll try to integrate components and icons in our system. For that, we'll go to the website of Material UI and we'll go to font icons. And as you can see, there are huge numbers of icons available. You can use them in your project. So you can search for anything that you're looking for and you'll get something related to it. So that, for example, now I'm searching for email and I got icons related to email. To use it, we'll copy it and then we'll paste it in our project. So basically, we'll write it in expression. If you want to render it, then we'll write email icon, we save it, and then we'll start the application. So we can select different colors and sizes as well. If you're searching for phone, for example, then you'll get icons related to phone. The icons of phone are various. They come in different types and shapes. So we have a variety: outlined, filled, rounded, etc. In short, we have a lot of variety. You just have to import them in your application. So now our development server is getting started. Then we'll be able to render it out to our page. So yeah, the email icon which we have imported is showing an error. The mistake was that we were not supposed to put it in expressions. Okay, now my icon have been displayed. So if I want to use another icon, then I'll copy and paste it here. Then I'll try to render it. And as you can see, now we have two different icons being displayed. You can take icons randomly, or you can search for them as well. So yeah, I wanted to give you the basic concept on how you can use different icons by using npm. Now, you can simply use cdn like what we used to do in JavaScript, but since we're using React.js now, that's why we're following this structure. Okay, so this was the benefit of using npm. You don't have to write the script again and again. You just have to install the dependencies in package.json file. Alright, and now on to the next lecture.